properly introduced. Oh, what lovely pictures. Now we'll find out all about your life in the circus. Don't you dare to fight with the child! So, who are you again? Turn? Don't you ever get lost. Such a great trick goes to waste. Maybe we should saw you in half. Woohoo! I'll be the circus! Woohoo! I'll write you from my first tour! You write to me too while I'm on tour! Go pack your suitcase! Our circus is short of a clown! weather is bad. I barely made it here. And what are we reading here? Ugh. Okay. Which Hocus Pocus should I try first? Okay. I think I'll start with this one. Bear! Want to see a magic trick? Okay. Hocus Pocus, 1, 2, 3. Hocus Pocus, 1, 2, 3. Hocus Pocus, 1, 2, 3. I like the singing, dancing, and the dolls. Trick didn't work out. Please, trick me out of this trick right now. It's so good to have my old nose back. What I call magic. I want to do it too. Bear, get in there. Hocus Pocus, 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Yes, I did it. Hocus Pocus, 1, 2, 3. Bear? Hocus Pocus, 1, 2, 3. Oi! That is a strange magic trick. So. Where could all of the cartoons be hiding? Let's start an investigation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look for cartoons to pick. I will press this microphone. Masha,